Good morning, student. Today in English class, I will be teaching a very beautiful poem, Rain on the Roof, written by Kurt Skinney, who was born in 1826. This poem is a lyrical poem where the poet is trying to relate the rain to his past childhood memories, which was both sweet and bitter, especially one that relates to his mother. Through this poem, the poet expresses his love for nature and praises the healing power of rain. At night, when dark clouds cover the sky and it rains gently, then the poet lies in his cozy bed and listens to the sound of the raindrops falling overhead on the roof of his cottage. The poet remembers the loving look of his mother, who used to shower love and affection on her children. Now let's begin with the poem. When the humid shadow hovers over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Here the word humid means full of moisture. Shadows refer to the clouds full of moisture which forms a shadow on the earth. Hover here means to move around something. Starry sphere refer to the night sky full of stars. In the third line, the word melancholy means sad. Now, if you come to word bliss in fifth line, it means happiness. The word cottage chamber means the bedroom and patter sound of raindrops falling on the roof. Now, in the first paragraph, the poet wants to say that when the sky is black and cloud and are full of moisture and about to bring rains, moves all around the sky, which is lit with stars at night and whose shadows even fall on earth. At that time, when the raindrops fall from the sky at night, it seems as if tears are shed by the sad dark night. Now, the poet is comparing raindrop to the tears, and he says that the dark sky, which seems to be very sad, appears as if it is crying. He says that he loves to lie in the bed and hear rain falling on the roof of his room because it gets back sweet memory of the past. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollection weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. The word tinkle here means light ringing sound. Shingle means rectangular wooden tiles used on the roof. In the second line, echo means sound repeated. In word busy being, in the fourth line, the poet refer himself. In sixth line, the word woof means the thread that is woven across the loom. In this paragraph, the poet says that the sound of raindrops that falls on its roof help him fall asleep and give him sweet dreams. Evokes thousands of beautiful memories of his childhood, of his mother, creates many new different dreams in his mind. The rain thus soothes and comforts an overworked mind of the poet by taking him back to its lovely past where his memories come alive. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in year agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingle by the patter of the rain. Ere is an old poetic word for before. Dawn is a daybreak, or we can say the periods of light in the sky before sunrise. A word list in sixth line means listen. It's also an old poetic device or poetic word like air. Refrain means repeated sound, and in this poem, we had the repeated sound of rain. In this last stanza, poet is dreaming of his mother. As he had told in the previous stanza that the rain brings memory of the past. He remembered his mother, that how she used to look down at him and his brothers and sisters as they were sleeping and having peaceful pleasure dreams. His mother used to look at them with love every night, for she knew that she would not see them again till the next morning. What the most touching in this poem is the poet remember more than anything is how his mother would bend down and watch over him in particular. The memories are evoked as he listens to the repetitive rhythm of the raindrops as they fall on his roof. Student, the poem The Rain on the Roof gives us a very beautiful message that, like the rain, we should find joy and contentment in making people around us happy. Just like the sound of rain evokes beautiful memories of the poet's mother, our small kind act, words can also help in bringing difference to somebody's life by bringing them back their lost happiness.